Today we'll be making a lemon pepper beer chicken with butter, but this is butter made from homemade butter. And can't tell how I made it because that's my secret, but I would like to show y'all how it's made. We're gonna start by applying some of our homemade butter on the chicken. This butter will make the skin nice and crunchy. You'll have a very tasty feel to it. And we're just going to brush all the butter up in there underneath the armpits, around the neck, the head, the chest. Gonna give her a flip. And you're also going to pretty much cover the whole breast area as well. You want that nice and covered. Now that we have our chicken completely covered in butter, next we're going to add our seasoning. We're going to start off with some preferida. Gonna flip it over and also apply it on the back of your chicken. And now we add our lemon pepper seasoning, which is my favorite personally. I enjoy it. It's very delicious. We're gonna give it another rub of butter on the breast just so that it can stick. She wanted to stick. Oh, look at that! Sticks perfectly. Next, we preheat our oven to 350 degrees. It's actually already there, so that's a good thing. Oven's preheated. We're gonna add the chicken in a minute. Next, we're gonna use our beer of choice. My choice is gonna be Modelo, just because it's a bit more, it's a stronger kind of beer, It's got that vinegary taste to it, and it's gonna go into the chicken, and it's gonna evaporate, and it's gonna make it juicy, and that's what we want. So we're gonna put our chicken on the beer, sort of like letting it rest on it. So we'll just there. There we go. And there you have it. Chicken is sitting on the beer. Next, we're gonna add some chopped potatoes. I can't hold the phone and chop it at the same time, so I'll be quick, I promise. So now we've added our potatoes to the chicken, and what's gonna happen is that the evaporating beer and the dripping chicken fat's gonna cook them delicious potatoes. Excuse me. Mouth is watering. And now we're gonna let our chicken sit here for maybe an hour. Let it get nice and juicy. And I'll let you know how it turns out. And now, as you can see, it is complete. It is beautiful.